I'm curious about what is your target, Bruno, with teaching people the lymphatic drainage technique?
My global target have always been, number one, to bring consciousness to work with body and consciousness, and not to move, a spleen, but to really, it's a being there that can move, not a piece of tissue. A piece of spleen is going to be like, there's a whole being with a consciousness. And my purpose is to support other people's purpose to be back into all they can be. And I do that with the tissue, but really keeping the bigger picture around. And to do that, I also decided that I want to find the least invasive technique, the most gentle technique to have the most effect. So a lot of the techniques you see are very gentle. You can apply them on babies, animals, people, after acute trauma usually, or coma. This is, kind of what I try to do. I blend left and right brain. I'm open to every kind of information from left or right brain, grounded into science and everything else, knowing that science doesn't know everything. We don't have all the machine to feel everything. So I'm talking about aura, where we don't really have a good machine. Talking about, other dimension, we don't have a good machine, near-death experience. So there's something that we don't have machine for. For example, there's no machine to really, really properly tell me if I love my wife or not. I'm not going to stop with my wife because, there's no machine. We don't have an objective thing. I'm going to stop loving my wife until the machine shows up. So it's the same idea that, I'm open to everybody's subjective experience and trying to work with that. So my intention is to bring love and consciousness into the tissue, the most, gentle way to touch the tissue, and how can I help you to be all you can be with my hands? So that's my intention. And because Alain and me, one of our primary value is to progress. So to progress, to grow, and to help others grow and progress and be all they can be. So that's something we're really easy, and we do it from different angles.
What I've learned from Bruno is to really understand that the body is conscious. And we think that we're assessing the body, but the body is so aware of us, it's assessing us. Am I safe? Is she going to touch me right? Is she going to hurt me or he? Dropping in and being aware of that and honoring the body starts to have a relationship with your hands so that you can go deeper and deeper. And then I started to open up to the emotions, and then you can feel the body is absolutely holding emotion. And when you address that, acknowledge that, it starts to change, and it'll speak to you what it needs, how it feels. And it's just an incredible experience of ourselves, our hands, and body consciousness, and really pure love. And the body is very, very loving when it trusts.
And respond to a very gentle touch. Don't have to be invasive. And so I'm so happy that I can see how many surgery we avoid, how many pain we avoid on people, how many things we can do, gently, and, they don't have to take meds, or they don't have to go surgery. And when they need surgery, they need surgery. And also making them grow.